Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor menta kasngi. Ki pat ublai kat jalaniam tura kasngi ning kong kil ai buram khadu ya u Bishop George Mamala Seri ha Sacred Heart Shrine tura. Harangkat kat jinsungu ya ublai namar ki kam senyang ya kabri sowan kat jalaniam tura. U Bishop Blashakri la sau pesan tali kisnam ya karilum garu ha kat jinglaniam kabalong ha Sacred Heart Shrine tura. Ha kabau Bishop Andrew Armarak ulalong unong le niam yakamet ha ka jingdon rengkat ki Bishop nakathan chatay lam ingi jong ka North East bat ki wei ki jalaniam. Kiling do soblay kla terway ka mas jing chathat ka mansim utay Bishop ha katay ka jingle niam adon lang kinong yalam niam ki pastor nagiway pat ki kunhun balang ki bay don lang ha kani ka jinglet on tap ha Cathedral of Mary Help of Christian tura. Hakani ka jilid on tap layadon lang ru nadu umintri rang ba kajala ukondat ki sangma rengkat korim jeng u ka metap chandi umintri rang ba abarem kajala u Dr. Mukul sangma bat ki khot ka Garu Hills Autonomous District Council
ki sangma naninambig pa katarang na. Now we have Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, Archbishop of Shillong. He will deliver his message on behalf of all the bishops present here. May I request your grace to come over here now.
Most Reverend Andrew Marat, Bishop of Tura, Most Reverend Bishop C.J. Joes, Auxiliary Bishop, my dear Archbishops, Bishops, all the major superiors, provincials, the fathers, sisters, brothers, Chief Minister Konrad Sangma, all the other ministers, MLAs, MDCs, government officials, friends, particularly the bishops, priests, religious faithful of Tura Diocese, and the family members of Bishop Mama. In Philippians 1:21, Paul said, "For to me, living is Christ." We gather today with heavy heart to bid
amarangku sisterangku aru plak bibirapangku kamcimongi kamrangku sualaha aru kadilaha uni plak kamrangku niroki aru zakura kadalanina ugubanga jermani palo matilakta kusyong beya. Thank you Bishop Jesus. Pun kami ancing tahu bianeko dakanggen. Let us all stand.
The suspension of the life, the man who believed to be will live even if he dies.
ഇവിടെ പലക വെച്ചിട്ട് കാശ്